My name's Milton Mermikides. I'm a composer. I'm really interested in the connections between music and science, taking the data and the concepts and turning them into music. There is a music to all things, but there's something about sleep which seems to be deeply connected to music on many levels. Professor Morten Kringelbach and I are presenting a really exciting public lecture at the Barbican. Morten has this fascinating new research on the networks in the brain responsible for inducing sleep. And he showed me these networks and they look identical to the sort of harmonic patterns, how chords move from one to another, that we use in music. I've built a system based on his of harmonic motion, and you'll be hearing new music created by you as you fall asleep.